Welcome to Vehicle Inspector. Money can't give you everything, but did you know it can give you the sharpest drive you can have? The current trend is hypercars, the peak of high-performance art. These exotic, expensive, and explosively fast machines boast cutting-edge engineering. Bugatti has introduced a beast to the market, the Bugatti Tourbillon, the most expensive hypercar in the world. Conceived from a blank canvas, it is a true work of future technology and cutting-edge engineering. Do you want to know more about this masterpiece? Let's start this journey you've never been on before. Before jumping into the latest news, why don't we go into the past? Old is always gold. Automobiles. Ettore Bugatti was a German, then French, manufacturer of high-performance automobiles. The company was founded in 1909 in Molsheim, Alsace, by Ettore Bugatti, an Italian-born industrial designer. The cars were known for their beautiful design and numerous race victories. Famous Bugatti models include the Type 35 Grand Prix cars, the Type 41 Royale, the Type 57 Atlantic, and the Type 55 sports car. Before the Bugatti Tourbillon, there was the Chiron era, starting in 2016. The Bugatti Chiron is a mid-engine, two-seated sports car designed by Achim Anscheit, developed as the successor to the Bugatti Veyron. The Chiron was first revealed at the Geneva Motor Show on March 1, 2016. In February 2024, Bugatti announced the successor to the Chiron, which will use a V16 hybrid electric powertrain. In June 2024, this successor was confirmed as the Bugatti Tourbillon. The Bugatti Tourbillon is a completely new design with no shared components from the Chiron. However, it keeps the signature Bugatti design elements like the horseshoe grille, central spine, C-shaped side body lines, and two-tone body color. Inspired by mechanical watches, the Tourbillon has a fully analog center console with mechanical gears resembling a watch movement. The speedometer and tachometer needles are arranged to look like an hour and minute hand. Another unique feature is its skeletonized design, where you can see the mechanisms of various components. The interior boasts a steering wheel with a fixed central hub, so the instrument cluster stays visible even when the wheel turns. There's also an infotainment screen that hides away into the dashboard when not in use. Bugatti designed this to keep the car looking timeless, even as technology changes. The center panel is made from machined aluminum and crystal glass, and the watch-inspired instrument cluster is crafted from titanium by Swiss watchmaker Concepto. The Bugatti Tourbillon has a powerful 8.4-liter V16 engine developed by Cosworth. This engine works with 3 electric motors, 2 at the front and 1 at the back. The engine produces 986 horsepower and 664 pound-force-foot of torque, while the electric motors add another 789 horsepower. Altogether, the Tourbillon has a total power output of 1,675 horsepower. Bugatti chose a naturally aspirated engine instead of the Chiron's turbocharged one to make the driving experience more exciting, with the engine able to revolution up to 9,000 revolutions per minute. The engine uses a cross-plane crank design, a 90-degree bank angle, and a dry sump lubrication system. It weighs 556 pounds. The car has an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission mounted at the rear of the engine, unlike the Chiron where it was at the front. It also has a 24.8 kilowatt-hour battery in front of the engine, giving it a range of about 37 miles on electric power alone. For the suspension, Bugatti worked with Divergent Technologies to create 3D printed suspension parts that are 45% lighter than those in the Chiron. The suspension is made of forged aluminum and designed with the help of AI. The Tourbillon's chassis is made from T800 carbon composite with 3D printed braces in the front and rear frames. The battery is built into the monocoque to save weight. The car also features a diffuser that doubles as part of the crash structure, eliminating the need for a rear crash beam and saving more weight. The Bugatti Tourbillon is incredibly fast. It can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2 seconds. It reaches 200 km per hour in under 5 seconds, 300 km per hour in under 10 seconds, and 400 km per hour in under 25 seconds. Its top speed is estimated at 445 km per hour when using a special speed key, and it is limited to 380 km per hour without it. The Tourbillon had to be incomparable in every respect, said Bugatti CTO Emilio Scervo in a press release. Our philosophy was to take every aspect of the Chiron and elevate it. finding elegant and sophisticated engineering solutions and new technologies to create a timeless masterpiece. The Tourbillon is still being tested with customer deliveries expected in 2026. The Tourbillon's design builds on the Chiron's aesthetics. It features the brand's signature horseshoe grille and the Bugatti line, which looks like a curved C on the side of the car. Bugatti aimed to balance creating a beautiful and timeless design, like the classic Bugatti Atlantic, while ensuring the car's aerodynamic performance for speeds over 250 miles per hour. The interior is inspired by horology, the art of making clocks and watches. The Tourbillon's gauges were designed with Swiss watchmakers and consist of over 600 parts made of titanium and gemstones like sapphire and ruby. The gauges are fixed to the center of the steering wheel, and the wheel's rim rotates around them. Each Bugatti Tourbillon starts at 3.8 million euros, or roughly $4.1 million. The car's exterior design lines all start from the horseshoe grille. Airflow is maximized with sculpted overhangs directing air in and out of the hood. There's a front trunk under the hood between two radiators. The car's design uses patented Bugatti technologies to keep its streamlined look, even at top speed. Its rear wing only deploys at slow speeds to create downforce, acting as an air brake. A hidden diffuser helps maintain balance. Bugatti also used thin-wall aluminum casting and 3D printed structural braces to strengthen the car. A new printed aluminum suspension arm saved 45% of the suspension weight compared to the Chiron. A printed hollow airfoil arm enhances vehicle dynamics and aerodynamic performance. The Tourbillon's interior features crystal glass and aluminum. The glass, developed in 13 stages, is perfectly clear and very strong. Aluminum is used on knurled switches, and console parts are anodized and milled from a single block of metal. With this supercar, Bugatti has started a new era in the relationship between watches and cars. In a trailblazing move, long-term partners Jacob & Co. and Bugatti have both unveiled new tourbillons. The new Jacob & Co. Bugatti Tourbillon wristwatch takes complex watchmaking to new heights, featuring an automation that emulates a car engine, a flying tourbillon escapement, and much more. This watch is co-designed by the two luxury brands to celebrate the launch of Bugatti's newest hypersports car, also called the Tourbillon. The three-dimensional watch, shaped like a Bugatti and measuring 52 by 44 millimeter, is inspired by the new Tourbillon Hypercar's distinctive front grille, side radiator inlets, side windows, and 7 other design elements. It features a visible V16 engine block automaton made from a single block of transparent sapphire. This engine block, part of the caliber JCAM 55 hand-wound movement with 557 individual components, makes 20 full animation sequences on a single wind, emulating the car engine block's constant movement of 16 pistons in the underlying crankshaft. The new Jacob & Co. Bugatti Tourbillon watch will be made in a limited edition of just 250 pieces, the same as the Hyper Sports car. The first 150 pieces will be made in black DLC titanium, priced at $340,000 each. And there you have it, the Bugatti Tourbillon, a symphony of engineering, art, and unparalleled luxury. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a masterpiece that redefines the boundaries of automotive excellence. But the journey doesn't end here. The world of hypercars is constantly evolving, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. So what did you think of this automotive marvel? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep your engines revving.